This is the last Sunday of the month and I must make it to church. Despite the fact I have not been going to church since, this Sunday I will reach church. And every obstacle for road, I will overcome am. Thanksgiving Sunday, Native Sunday, Nativity Sunday. Even when I move like this, all those my village people will be confused because they will not know whether I'm going to church or I'm going for a traditional meeting. If I see them, I had my Bible.
Useless girl. Ashawo! Customer snatcher! No man, anybody when walk, I mean, no my customer when enter my room, I say go drag. I say when I'm causing food everywhere, I don't know what she be. I don't take her. Now me say me no fat. Cause you be like nama. Now me say me no chop. Ashawo! I dey call for your papa. Cause Jesus. Before come. Yes, your grandpa now you go. Useless girl. Ashawo! Customer snatcher.
You know I've not been to church for more than 2 years now. Eh? Who know? The way these people they quarrel so. If I preach to them and win this soul to God, obstacle go clear for road. This man.
You never reach fruit salad. Pancake.
It's okay, my sister. What is the problem? Happy Sunday. Why you people quarreling this early Sunday morning?
Now customer snatch and I should be an ashawo.
Una be ashawo.
I no be ashawo. I don't follow. I just dey walk.
Listen to me. Your body is a temple of God. Do you know that you don't need my sister? Don't mind them. Do you know that one with God is one with majority? If you give your life to God, whatever you lay your hands on begins to prosper. As I speak to you now, I'm on my way to church this Sunday morning, but something told me to come and speak to you. If you give your life to God, they are not your match.
They never be my match before. She be.
Let's go to church.
Bros, you see as they talk to me, it sweet me. So as herself, I can't dey feel bad, but no beside they feel bad, Shan. Now my work, yeah, I feel do again now. But I go follow you go church. But you go first with my bath. Let me go to church.
Okay, no, I'll wait for you. Just dress up, let's go.
No, now just come inside, come wait for me, man. Just bath. I don't go waste time. I just crop some kind area then remove. Then they waste time bath.
I follow you go inside.
Let me see the dance.
No, but I quarter with that one.
Not me, you be man of God now. Who know? You carry Bible. Oh God.
Okay.
No. We go, Jare. Nice mom. Show me this one.
May the peace of the Lord be unto this house. You are blessed.
Come sit down now.
No, let me just sit here. You know, I'm even tired. This man.
Officer, now this room I enter last night. One notice him Ebola again. Officer, see now, everything flat.
I don't close, I they go shush.
Madam, we are not here for that. This young man came to our office to report that he came here and slept with you. Then after that, he paid though. Then after that, you stole his bola.
I am officer, nothing they there and a peanut.
Madam, you have every right to remain silent because whatever you say will be used as an evidence against you in the court of law. I want to warn you. You need to be very careful. But you are lucky that we came here and we met the ritualist that usually buy those things from her. So I believe say he never use your bola. You go sit there with her sit there here. Madam, I be not be the allergy way they sell and give me this.
Nah, Moga, you see all and just give a mail. They go.
Jesus! Officer, wait. What is going on here now? I'm on my way to church. See my Bible.
With this station, you will know. Don't worry. Get up, move it.
Okay, I'm on my madam.
My friend, move it.
What did you give me?
Okay, get up now. You are wasting my time.
Okay, I'm innocent now.
Don't worry when you get to station. Oh yeah, Ashawo. Don't worry, when we reach station, we go know. Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'm innocent.
I said move it. You are wasting my time. Okay, oh yeah, move it. My friend, move.